Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we take you inside ISRO's incredible Space Bus, a one-of-a-kind mobile exhibition designed to bring space science and exploration closer to students and the general public. The bus, stationed at Bhattadev University for this special science exhibition, offers an immersive experience where visitors can interact with exhibits that highlight India's remarkable achievements in space research and technology. As we step inside, the first thing that catches your eye are the interactive displays and intricate models that showcase ISRO's landmark missions. These include Chandrayaan, India's successful lunar mission, and Mangalyaan, the Mars orbiter mission that made India the first country to reach Mars on its first attempt. Alongside these, you'll also discover details about future missions like Gaganyaan, India's ambitious human spaceflight program aimed at sending astronauts into space. But the experience doesn't stop at just learning about these groundbreaking missions. Inside the space bus, there are detailed explanations about how satellites function, how they orbit the Earth, the different types of orbits, and how these satellites are used for critical services such as communication, weather forecasting, GPS navigation, and even disaster management. There's something profoundly exciting about seeing how the science that operates far beyond our atmosphere impacts our lives down here on Earth. As you continue exploring, you'll come across 3D models that bring space technology to life. Imagine seeing a scaled-down version of a satellite up close or a model of one of ISRO's rockets, like the PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, which has been a workhorse in launching satellites not just for India, but for countries around the globe. Each model comes with detailed descriptions and diagrams, making it easier to grasp the complexities of space engineering. One of the highlights of the exhibition is a series of interactive panels that let visitors virtually experience ISRO's iconic missions. For example, you can trace the journey of Chandrayaan from its launch to its lunar landing, complete with mission timelines, animated simulations, and key milestones. It's an incredible way to visualize the precision and expertise required to execute such missions successfully. The Space Bus doesn't just educate, it engages. Visitors can test their knowledge through quizzes, play educational games designed to spark curiosity about space, and interact with touchscreens that offer in-depth insights into space research. If you've ever wondered how a satellite stays in orbit or how space missions are planned and executed, this is your chance to find out in a fun and accessible way. And there's more. The bus includes visual exhibits that explain how space technology has become an integral part of our daily lives. From television broadcasting to smartphones, ISRO's advancements in space have contributed to innovations that we use every day, often without realizing the complex science behind them. You'll also learn about how ISRO supports crucial sectors like agriculture, disaster relief, and environmental monitoring through space-based technology. Additionally, the Space Bus hosts a series of educational panels and videos that dive deeper into the upcoming projects ISRO is working on, including the eagerly anticipated Gaganyaan mission. These videos, packed with real mission footage, scientific explanations, and insights from space scientists, provide a fascinating look at what's next for India in space exploration. This initiative by ISRO is not just about spreading knowledge, it's about inspiring the next generation of scientists, engineers, and space explorers. It opens doors to a universe of possibilities for students and anyone curious about space. Whether you're a budding space enthusiast or simply interested in understanding India's growing role in global space exploration, the Space Bus is a unique opportunity to explore these topics in a hands-on and deeply engaging environment. As we near the end of this tour, let's take a moment to reflect on how far India has come in the field of space research. from launching its first satellite, Aryabhatta, in 1975 to sending spacecraft to the Moon and Mars, ISRO has made tremendous strides, contributing to both national pride and global scientific advancement. And with missions like Gaganyaan on the horizon, there's no doubt that India's space journey is just getting started. So, join us on this cosmic adventure as we explore the universe, learn about space technology, and gain a deeper understanding of the science that makes it all possible. The ISRO Space Bus is more than just an exhibition, it's a portal to the stars, right here at Bhattadev University.